Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your peace lily plant. Peace lilies are beautiful and relatively easy to maintain, making them a popular choice for indoor greenery. We'll cover the essential aspects of their care, from lighting and watering to proper feeding and repotting. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure your peace lily stays healthy and vibrant, bringing a touch of nature into your home. Proper watering is crucial for a happy peace lily. Always check the soil moisture before watering. It's better to underwater slightly than to overwater. These plants also appreciate high humidity, mimicking their natural tropical environment. You can easily boost humidity around your plant with a simple pebble tray or by regularly misting its leaves. This helps prevent common issues like brown leaf tips and keeps your plant looking its best. Finding the right light spot is key for your peace lily. They prefer bright, indirect light, which encourages blooming without scorching their delicate leaves. Direct sunlight can cause leaf burn, so avoid placing them right in a sunny window. When it comes to feeding, a little goes a long way. Fertilize sparingly during the active growing months to provide essential nutrients without overwhelming the plant. As your peace lily grows, it will eventually need repotting. Look for roots circling the pot or water draining too quickly as signs it's time for a new home. Choose a pot that's only 1 or 2 inches larger in diameter to avoid overwatering issues. Also, keep an eye out for common pests like spider mites, mealybugs, and aphids, and address them promptly. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.